chapter 8. We're going to carry on. I kind of got cut off here. So we were talking about this long condition statement right here, and it's really just comparing. All I'm trying to do here is I'm going to compare my blue card with my red card, and determining whether or not it was a win or a loss in that case. So, and your challenge was to take a look at this and see if is there a better way to write this, and it seems like there should be a much better way to write that. Once we've gone through that whole list right here, we want to basically keep track of whether we tied or not. So I'm going to put a counter in here to increment our tie, and this is only if we tie. Okay, so if the blue is equal to the red, or the blue is equal to 1, and so on as we progress through all of these. I can't go through all of those, there's just too many. So you have to go through and have a closer look. And to make this really make sense, you have to know that all of the cards, so it's starting out the 2 of hearts, I believe, all the way down to the ace of spades, which is number 51. Oh, it's the king. There we go. The kings, I documented it. Perfect. So there's all the kings, there's all the queens, etc. All right, so if none of these happened, it would be a tie. So that it would become a tie. Otherwise, there's got to be a winner. So based on the winner. So we're going to go with R and B. So is it blue or is it red? Let's pass those 2 inside of here, blue or red, and let's have a look here. If the player's card was greater than the computer's card, then the player wins, incremented by 1, and make the left card visible, true. Otherwise, if the computer won, well, then increment the computer score by 1 and take the arrow and make it point and make it true. So basically, if the player wins, this little red button here displays. Otherwise, this one displays right here. And then finally output the score results after we've done that. So kind of a lengthy program, especially this particular expression right here, but I think it's still a pretty good logical program to illustrate how a list control, an image control list works inside of an application like this. All right, so that's pretty much finishing off chapter 8, and I'll see you guys in class.